Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve a algebraic equation using trigonometry. So let's start. Question is solve x cube minus 3 times of x is square root x plus 2. So here's please see the right hand side. This is x square root x plus 2 is defined when x is greater than equal to minus 2. So as I told, I'll use trigonometry to make it easier. I'm taking the trigonometric function in place of x, that will be twice cos alpha. Now cos alpha we know is defined, or principal value is from when alpha is in between 2 pi. So cos alpha is minimum is -1 and maximum is 1. So we have to take care of this range or domain of the function. So when cos alpha is greater than -1 to lesser than equal to 1, cos alpha is greater than equal to -1, lesser than equal to +1, that means x or 2 cos alpha is greater than equal to -2 and less than equal to +2, or this is x is greater than -2 less than 2. So within this range we are trying to solve. And what happens when it is greater than 2, we will consider, and it cannot be less than 2, we have already spoken here. Now replacing this with the trigonometric function, I'll get 2 cos alpha whole cube minus 3 times of 2 cos alpha equals to square root of 2 cos alpha plus 2. Or this gives me 8 cos cube alpha minus 6 cos alpha equals to square root. I'll take 2 common, then I'll get 1 plus cos alpha. In the next step, it can be written as 2. 1 plus cos alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2. And if I'll take the square root, it will be 2 cos alpha by 2. So 2 we can get cancelled. I'll get 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha equals to cos alpha by 2. And if you observe the left hand side, it is nothing but your cos 3 alpha. 3 cos alpha, oh, cos 3 times of alpha equals to cos alpha by 2. So this is a trigonometric equation. We'll solve it. And trigonometric, let us recall this. If cos alpha equals to cos beta, then alpha is equal to 2n pi plus minus beta when n is an integer. So applying the same rule here, I'll write that 3 alpha, 3 times of alpha is equals to 2n pi plus minus alpha by 2 plus minus beta plus minus alpha by 2 when n is an integer. So once I am taking the positive, so 3 alpha equals to 2n pi plus alpha by 2. That time I'll get 3 alpha minus alpha by 2 equals to 2n pi, or it will be 5 alpha by 2 is equal to 2n pi, or alpha equals to 4n pi over 5. Next, case 2, taking negative 1, 3 alpha equals to 2n pi minus alpha by 2. So 3 alpha plus alpha by 2 equals to 2n pi when n is an integer. 7 alpha by 2 equals to 2n pi, or alpha equals to 4n pi over 7. So now coming to the values. So we had defined the alpha 0 to pi. So when alpha is 0 to pi, that means here n will be only 0 or 1. It cannot be more than that. No other solution. So first, when I am taking alpha is equal to 0, so for both the case, your 4n pi plus alpha by say, 5 and 7, I'll get 0. Alpha is equal to 0. So cos alpha equal to cos 0, that is equal to 1. And I had taken that x is equal to 2 cos alpha, so that will be 2. So that is one solution. When alpha is equal to 1, second case, I am taking 4n pi by 5. So here x equals to 2 cos n is equal to 1, so 4 pi by 5. This is the second equation. And for third one, your alpha is equal to 4n pi by 7. This gives us x equals to 2 cos 4 pi by 7. So this is third equation, third solution, not equation. So solutions are 2 cos 0, that will be 2, 2 cos 4 pi by 7, 4 pi by 5, and 2 cos 4 pi by 7. Now when x is greater than 2, x square minus 3x is greater than x square minus 4x is greater than equal to x into x square minus 4. Of course, this is equal here, and greater than equal to x plus 2, which is equal to x minus 2. Certainly, this is greater than your square root x plus 2. So, x square minus 3x equals to square root x plus 2 has no solution when x greater than 2. So x less than minus 2, there is no solution. X greater than 2, no solution. So solutions are 2, 2 cos 4 pi by 5, and 2 cos 4 pi by 7. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching whole video. and thank you for subscribing. So please guys, if you have not subscribed yet, like the video, comment down in the comment section.